Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Teams from going idle. If Microsoft Teams keeps changing your status to away even though you're still at your computer, this video will show you a simple workaround that can help keep your status active. So first, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. From the left-hand menu, you can click Calendar or you can click Meet, then click Create a Meeting Link and click Join. So if you don't have the calendar option, you can use the Meet section instead and start an instant meeting from there. So once the meeting window appears, you can click Join. You don't need to invite anyone else. So after joining, you can mute your microphone and turn off your camera so the meeting runs quietly in the background. Now at this point, Teams will usually display your status as in a meeting. So to change that, click your profile picture in the upper right corner. Then select your current status and choose available. So your status should now show as available while you remain in the meeting, which can help prevent Teams from automatically switching you to away because of inactivity. So just remember that this is a workaround rather than an official Microsoft feature. So the results may vary depending on your organization's Teams policies or future app updates. And that's basically it. So you just need to start a meeting. So start a meeting with yourself and you can turn off your camera and your microphone, then change your status to available. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.